Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Hong Kong. First, you will need to set up your account by visiting the official PayPal Hong Kong website, where you can choose between a personal or business profile. Make sure to accurately input your personal details and complete any required identity verification steps, which typically involve providing a Hong Kong identification document and proof of address. This initial setup is crucial for activating all features. After setting up your account, the next step is to link your financial instruments. You can securely connect your local Hong Kong bank account, allowing for easy transfers of funds in and out of your PayPal balance. Additionally, link your credit or debit cards, which provides an alternative payment method and acts as a backup funding source. This flexibility ensures you always have a way to pay or withdraw, making your PayPal experience seamless. Sending money through PayPal is very simple. Just enter the recipient's email address or mobile number and the amount you wish to send. To receive payments, simply share your PayPal registered email address with the sender, and the funds will appear directly in your account balance. It is always wise to review any associated transaction fees, which PayPal clearly outlines before you confirm any payment or transfer. This transparency helps you manage your finances effectively. PayPal makes online shopping in Hong Kong incredibly secure and convenient. You can use your PayPal account to pay at thousands of online stores, both locally and internationally, with just a few clicks. Take advantage of PayPal's buyer protection policy, which covers eligible purchases if something goes wrong with your order. This protection adds an extra layer of confidence, allowing you to shop from the comfort of your home, without ever directly sharing your financial card details with individual merchants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.